Hello guys, welcome back. This is going to be a quick update for BTC. As usual, we will go through a bear and bull scenarios with the exact levels. Hope you guys will enjoy the video. Before we start, as always, hit the like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now, without wasting time, let's dive in. We can witness that about 20% dump in the market, and as a result, alt markets are bleeding heavily. Since we had this previous all-time high, which was $42,000, we did see some sort of correction from the 8th of January all the way up until the 3rd of February, which was lasted about 25-26 days. And since then, as you remember, we've been in this parallel channel. And this parallel channel, as you can see, acted perfect support, support, and support from the beginning. From the top, you can see with the Elon Musk pump, resisted over there, and resisted recently. And as you can see, medium channel as well played an amazing role. In the recent update via Twitter, I posted that this Fibonacci level, which is 1618 golden zone, it's about 56,600 and 57,000 area, was very crucial. Most of the people in the market was expected that 54,000 will be the top and we will see some sort of consolidation. However, as I said, I updated via Twitter, this area 1618, it acted as a beautiful. As you can see, we went up and struggled to close above than this level. Yesterday we will be going through to a daily and a weekly candle. Once we closed yesterday weekly and daily, it was kind of a fake out and we're dumping back literally since last night. At the same time, I did provide that if we manage to stay above this 1618 zone, then the next likely target will be around $69,770,000. So today we will be looking at what levels we should watch in order to go up. Let's start looking by lower time frames. And we don't need this parallel channel anymore. However, do not forget we're still following our next crucial resistance area is still 1618. And then if we manage, as I said, we will be going to the next golden zone 2618 level, which is around $70,000. 30-minute time frames. 30-minute time frame is underwater since we lost 56,300 and 56,000 area. As you can see, once we lost 56,000 this area, we went all the way to the south. 60-minute time frames. 60-minute time frame also underwater since we lost 52,000 level, that we saw a huge sell-off in the market. At the same time, we are witnessing that dips are buying very quickly. Before we move on, if you want to become a professional trader or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8 and one-on-one intense mentorship is available. It only takes you 5 to 10 hours with 4 weeks support as a bonus. Moving on to 2-hour time frame. 2-hour time frame is in consolidation. However, I would like to show you that since the beginning of the February, we tested the first time 200 EMA. The last time we tested it was 2nd of February. We've been provided a bull signal, and since then we just tested the first time the 200 EMA on the 2-hour time frame. If we look into a 4-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame is still healthy as always, and again, first time since the beginning of February we tested 100 EMA, and as you can see in there, bears pushed the price back down and the bulls gained the control and pushing up the price back all the way towards the north. Moving on to the daily chart, still following this parabolic curve as you remember, and this is playing quite well so far since the March dump, acting as a support nicely, about 5 to 6 times price held. As you can see, supported, supported and supported, and again recent support took place end of January, and as long as I said, we do not get out from this curve, we are good to go, and I believe we're in a bull trend. So overall, no change within this parabolic curve. However, as I said, from the top, from the $58,000, we dumped nearly 20% down. Today's daily candle doesn't look good. We will be following closely. At the same time to time, I use this stochastic indicator. As you can see, it was maxed out on a daily time frame and it went really extended. Maybe we're going to see some sort of this type of correction in the market. As you can see, we maxed out and we stayed above the level 80. And after that, as you can see, we witnessed a sharp decline. Whether we're going to see the same sharp decline in the market or no, we will be following closely, and we will see what will happen in the next coming days, because as you can see already we have a bearish signal. However, do not forget that we're in a bullish market and we may be witnessing bearish and bullish signals like fake outs. So as I said, we've got some time to close this daily candle. Having said that, we're extremely bullish on a daily time frame. 4-hour time frame, as you can see, similar scenario. The price actually stayed stable and stochastic indicator stayed above 80%, and then as a result it couldn't hold it and we witnessed today's dump. If we're going to zoom out, last night we did close another weekly candle, and there is nothing to add here. We have been bullish since the mid of October. Minor correction will not change anything under a weekly time frame. And I would like to draw your attention on the daily time frame first. As you can see, we got rejection. First rejection from 1618 golden zone, second time rejection, third time we broke it. However, after daily close as well as the weekly close, we dumped back. It was a fake out. As I warned in my Twitter account, that be aware of this 1618 area. And as you can see on a daily time frame, it doesn't look nice at the moment. Weekly time frame, we can see the same scenario. We broke it in yesterday's weekly close. However, today we are witnessing a sharp decline in the market. It doesn't mean that we may not reclaim this 1618 area in this week, because we have got 6 days, 7 hours. If we're going to reclaim, as I said, we will go further up. The next target zone in the midterm going to be $70,000. And I would like to say that be aware and watch carefully daily and weekly time frames right before the closing of these higher time frames. We usually see some sort of volatility in the market. As a result, as I said, we dumped 20% since last night. So in front of us, I've got a new Fibonacci level where I took it from 58,400 and 29,050 area. So we got rejected right from here, and we came back to all the way to the important level of 382 fib level, and where our higher time frame support is located, 47,000 and 43,700. So what I'm expecting from here is, if we're going to manage to break this resistance line, which is 55,000, 56,000 area, and we will highly likely going to test the recent high. To enter into the game, I will be following closely half an hour and 1 hour time frame. If 1 hour time frame, it gives me a bullish signal, the next target zone will be under lower time frame, 62 and $65,000. Bear in your mind, 4 hour is still healthy and bullish. However, 1 hour and 30 minutes are under water, and 2 hours is not strong, as I mentioned earlier on. If we're going to lose this 52,000 level at this time, and we highly likely will be going further down, and we will be retesting 382, possibly golden zone 0.5, which is 43,728 area. However, it's early to talk about it. I'll be following 2 hour time frame closely for the bear scenario. Moving on to the Ethereum, under a lower time frame, 1 hour time frame, as soon as we lost 1900 and 1950, we entered into a bear zone. Same scenario under the 2 hour time frame as well as the 3 hour time frame, we are underwater. And I've got a Fibonacci level which I took it from the all-time high 2041, and lowest point is 1387. Now as you can see, we literally nearly tested 618, the golden zone, 1550 area. Having said that, 4 hour time frame is in consolidation. It seems Ethereum condition is worse than Bitcoin, so we've got a resistance level around 1850, 1750, and we've got a support actually down below 1670 and 1620 area. So if we can manage to break the resistance area, and then I'm expecting we go and then retest the all-time high, possibly we may go even 2200 area. If the bulls cannot manage to break the resistance, and I would expect we go all the way towards the south, I do expect again in the first scenario we will be testing primary support level. If not, then we will be retesting this golden zone of the Fibonacci level 618 area. Instant updates always be via Twitter. If you're not following me, you can follow me via Twitter. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.